Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of British performance luxury. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Jaguar GT 2026, a luxury supercar that blends timeless design, cutting-edge electric performance, and handcrafted elegance. Get ready to witness how Jaguar is redefining grand touring for the next generation. Chapter 1: Design and Exterior. The 2026 Jaguar GT makes an unforgettable first impression. Its sculpted silhouette draws inspiration from the iconic Jaguar E-Type, but with a futuristic twist. The long bonnet, flowing coupe roofline, and muscular rear haunches create a design that screams speed even while standing still. Up front, slim pixel LED headlights frame a reimagined grille, while aerodynamic channels and active air vents reduce drag. The flush door handles, 22-inch alloy wheels, and a dramatic rear light bar give it a bold road presence. Every detail is designed not just for beauty, but for performance efficiency. Chapter 2: Interior and Luxury Experience. Step inside, and the Jaguar GT 2026 wraps you in refined British luxury. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with sustainable premium leather alternatives, real wood inlays, and brushed aluminum accents. A curved OLED infotainment display flows seamlessly across the dashboard, paired with an advanced digital driver's cluster. The AI-powered voice assistant learns your preferences, adjusting climate, ambient lighting, and even driving dynamics. Jaguar's new Grand Touring Comfort seats feature 20-way adjustability, massage functions, and memory settings for both driver and passenger. With noise-canceling technology and panoramic glass roof, the interior feels like a private luxury lounge. Chapter 3: Engine and Performance. Underneath its elegant body lies raw power. The Jaguar GT 2026 is fully electric, built on Jaguar's next-generation EV platform. Dual or tri-motor configurations deliver up to 1,000 horsepower, allowing 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds. With an electronically limited top speed of 330 km/h, this GT is not just about luxury, it's about domination on the road. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, active torque vectoring, and a low center of gravity from its battery pack, the handling is sharp and precise. Whether on highways or winding mountain roads, the Jaguar GT promises both comfort and exhilaration. Chapter 4: Battery and Range. Power meets practicality. Equipped with a 120 kWh solid-state battery, the Jaguar GT 2026 offers an impressive 750 km of range on a single charge. With ultra-fast charging, you can recover 300 km of range in just 10 minutes. Jaguar also integrates vehicle-to-grid technology, allowing the car to power your home or feed energy back into the grid. This makes the GT not only a performance machine, but also a futuristic energy companion. Chapter 5: Technology and Features. The GT 2026 is packed with innovation. Features include Level 3 autonomous driving with hands-free cruising, Jaguar Vision HUD, projecting 3D navigation and AR guidance on the windshield, over-the-air updates, ensuring your car evolves with time, next-gen Meridian 3D audio system with 28 speakers for a concert hall experience, Jaguar Personal Key, allowing you to start the car with just your smartphone or smartwatch. Chapter 6: Price and Variants. The Jaguar GT 2026 will be available in 3 trims. GT Standard, starting at $180,000. GT Performance, around $220,000. GTR Black Edition, flagship model at $260,000. Each variant comes with unique styling packages, performance tuning, and exclusive interior finishes. Chapter 7: Launch Date and Availability. Jaguar has announced that the GT 2026 will officially debut in early 2026, with deliveries beginning by mid-2026 across Europe, North America, and select Asian markets. Pre-orders are expected to open by the end of 2025, with limited first edition models available for collectors. Conclusion: the Jaguar GT 2026 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A fusion of electric power, British elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you crave speed, luxury, or exclusivity, this Grand Tourer delivers it all. If you're a fan of next-generation supercars and luxury innovations, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment on your favorite feature, and subscribe for more updates on the future of automotive excellence.